Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, you're going to learn that how you can remove the Authenticator app from your Discord account. So without wasting any time, let's begin our video. First thing, you need to open your Discord application. Once you do so, the next thing you need to do is to tap on the U option right at the bottom. Then you need to go to settings. So once you tap on the setting icon, it will bring you here. From here, you need to choose account. And if you scroll a bit, you will find the remove Authenticator app option. All you need to do is to tap on that, and they will ask you that are you sure you want to remove your Authenticator app? If you are, which I would recommend that don't remove it because it is a second layer of security for your account. So once you tap on OK, they say verify with Authenticator app. You have to go to your Authenticator app to get that code. So if I come to the Authenticator app, I need to get this code by copying it, and I will paste it here. So guys, as you can see, it is already done. The code was automatically there, but now as you can see, enable Authenticator app. So the Authenticator app has been removed. That is the process. Once you enter the code, you will be able to remove the Authenticator app that you're using for your Discord account. So guys, if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.